Hi dears, today I will show you that how can we upload videos to YouTube using mobile easily. First up, I'll go to your apps, you open YouTube, open your data, refresh your application, home. Here you can see your channel. If not, to add your account here. For uploading videos from gallery, click on plus icon. Select you upload a video. Select your video here and create a title. Title. Add description here, such as how to make YouTube thumbnail. Visibility public, audience no. Location and playlist लेके and upload.